Welcome to the future of video translation with Syntheses, the revolutionary tool that opens up a world of possibilities for content creators and businesses alike. Let's explore the 3 incredible options Syntheses has to offer. Ever wish to hear your favorite speaker in a different language? Syntheses not only translates the audio, but also clones the voice and adjusts lip movements for a realistic experience.
Languages has never been simpler, thanks to our cutting-edge technology that combines a genuine voice clone, accurate speaking.
Watch as the language seamlessly changes, preserving the essence of the original performance.
Fuerza los límites con extraordinaria facilidad y sofisticación.
Sometimes all you need is the voice. Syntheses' second option allows you to translate the audio without changing any visuals. Perfect for documentaries, travel videos, and more.
In a world filled with challenges and obstacles, it's easy to lose sight of our dreams.
In einer Welt voller Herausforderungen und Hindernisse ist es leicht, unsere Träume.
Your content stays visually intact while the language transforms. What if your video has no person speaking? No worries. Syntheses' third option lets you add an actor of your choice to deliver the translated content. Choose from our list of avatars to represent your voice in a whole new language. Here's an example of Syntheses in action.
L'introduction de la traduction vidéo par Synthèse, l'outil de traduction vidéo innovant qui relie les frontières.
From lip syncing to audio translation and avatar integration, Syntheses is changing the game. Try it today and revolutionize the way you share content globally. Don't miss out on the future of video translation. Visit our website and bring your content to the world with Syntheses. Transcend language barriers, captivate audiences, and make your videos truly global. Translation has never been this easy.